The temperature is rising outside, but that doesn't mean you need to go out and buy a whole new wardrobe. Check out these cool hacks that let you turn your winter clothes into stylish summer clothes. You'll be surprised at what you can do with a needle and thread, some elastic, and a bit of ingenuity. First, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see our newest DIY projects on Crafty Hackers. Here we go! Beauty pouch. First, take your favorite winter beanie and pull the top in to make a little pocket on the inside. Then you'll need two zippers, one for the longer side of the hat and one for the shorter side where you just made the pocket. Unzip the long zipper and line it up on the inside edge of the beanie. Pin it to keep it in place and sew it in. It shouldn't take long at all. Now flip it over and do the same thing on the other side of the zipper. When you're done, it should zip together. Now for the other side. Once you've made your little pocket, follow the same instructions with a smaller zipper. Now you have a beauty pouch with an extra pocket for all your beauty essentials. Summer sweater. Not ready to part with your winter sweater? Who says you have to? You can still enjoy it even in the summer heat. Watch this! We'll show you how to trim a little bit off the bottom and the top. Cut a slit along the seam on the side, then cut across the front section of your sweater. Cut a bit off the back too. Then cut a V shape into the front collar area. Cut out the collar in the back. Now cut little slits into the bottom of your sweater. Pull at the threads to create a distressed look. Do the same with the V-neck you just created. Pretty easy, right? Now you've got a stylish summer sweater. You can pull it over your swimsuit at the beach or throw it on over your favorite tank top. Looking good. Summer gloves. These summer gloves are cute and trendy, and they don't take long to make. Just take some of your winter socks. You want to line your thumb up with the heel of the sock. See that little seam? Cut a little hole at the edge of it. It should be just big enough for your thumb to fit through. Now take a washable marker and place a faint line where your knuckles are. Cut along the knuckle line. The glove should be covering your knuckles when you put it on. Now stick some aluminum foil inside your glove. Pick out some cool beads and heat up your hot glue gun. Now place hot glue along the knuckle line and taper it towards the center of where your hand will be. Sprinkle the beads on and carefully assort them onto the hot glue. Let the glue harden. Now you've got one-of-a-kind fingerless summer gloves. Aren't they awesome? You can do the same with different colored socks so that you have a pair for every occasion. You can get creative with the glue and bead placement. Very chic. Scarf top. Don't pack away that winter scarf. Here's a fun trick to turn it into a top. First, fold the scarf corner to corner to make a triangle shape so that the top of the triangle opens at the neckline. Lay out your folded scarf, lining up the corners. Then fold them in and stitch both corners together. Now take a piece of stretchy ribbon or elastic and thread it through. Trim the edges to give it a finished look. Tie it around your neck and tie the bottom corners around your waist. Now you're ready for that summer barbecue. Beach bag. That sweatshirt is way too cute to stay in the back of your closet all season. Let's have some fun with it. Lay your sweatshirt out flat. Then fold it in half and mark the cutouts of the sleeve seams and neckline. Cut along your marks. Now take your hot glue gun and glue the bottom of your shirt closed. Measure a strap to go on the top. Fold each end of the strap into the seam at the top of the shirt. Secure with hot glue. Check out that beach bag! Nice! Sleeves. Remember the sleeves you cut out of that sweatshirt? Well, don't throw them away. Take 4 strands of elastic and attach them to the tops of your sleeves, arranging them in a crisscross shape. Sew them into place. Make sure to sew the bottom parts of the crisscross to the middle of the sleeve. When you're done, it should look like this. And now you've got sleeves to keep your arms warm in the sweet summer breeze. Not bad, huh? Scarf bag. Scarves are great, but they just don't work in the summer months. So lay your scarf out and fold it in half, lining up the edges. Now we're going to show you how to sew a ribbon through the edge. Take a needle with an opening big enough for a ribbon, and sew the 2 edges together. Tie a knot in the end. Now open it up, pull the top corner over, bring it to the middle, and pull the opening over to the outer edge of the scarf. Now pull the corner back over. Line up the other 2 edges. Take your ribbon and sew the new edges together. Once the edges are sewn, flip it right side out. Fold the fringes down and grab a thicker ribbon for your strap. Feed it through the sides and tie it into a knot. Now you've got a boho chic bag. Bye-bye scarf. We're headed to the boardwalk with our new one-of-a-kind bag. Scarf shirt. Here's another hack for your winter scarf. Open it up and wrap it around your shoulders. Line up the corners on each side. Now that you know how much arm room you'll need, lay the scarf out flat and line it up again, leaving room for your arms to fit through. Pin it in place and start sewing. That was easy, wasn't it? No one will be able to tell this used to be a winter scarf. So gorgeous! You can style your winter wardrobe pieces with summer clothes to make a new fashion statement. High boots. Not ready to part with your knee-high boots yet? You don't have to. Just wear them with a mini dress to add sophistication to your look. How glamorous! Ankle boots. Ankle boots are very versatile and fun to wear. They work with denim shorts or a casual summer dress. Thin sweater. A thin sweater goes well with a slip-on dress for those cool summer evenings. The layered effect adds a bit of drama to your look. And that's how we hack winter clothes and turn them into summer looks. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments! Thanks for stopping and watching Crafty Hackers. Have a great summer!